Hey, welcome guys. So here I got some center cut pork chops, nice and thick. They're going on the grill. They're just hanging out with some seasoning on. I got some SPG plus onion powder. Just gonna let that sit. Over here I got some two sweet potatoes. Poke some holes in them. Gonna be throwing that on the kettle as well. And here I got one apple I sliced up. I put little chunks of butter in, some honey, and some cinnamon. I went a little heavy with the cinnamon, but that's alright. It's going to be good. And for our full meal, we're going to be throwing this on the chops today. I got this in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Never had it before. But apple cinnamon, I think that's going to go very good with the pork chops. So stay tuned. We're going to find out. I got all the coals set up. Indirect. Got potatoes on. They feel really nice and soft, just how I want them, so I'm going to be pulling them soon. I'm just going to kick them up to the front for now. But one thing I'm going to want to do, I'm going to take these off. One thing I'm going to want to do, I'm going to put the chops on. I'm going to cook them indirect. Then we're going to sear them once they come up in temp. Probably around 120, 115, 120. That's what we're going to see here. Alright guys, I just flipped the chops a couple minutes ago. I'm going to check them out, see what the temp's at. Alright, so I'm going to give it a minute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sear them all. And after I sear them, I'm going to put them back on indirect. Throw a sauce on it, and let that go for another minute. Alright, they're all in the 130 range. I'm going to go start saucing them. I'm doing a light coat. The sauce is pretty thick. That's it. We're going to flip them, do it again. Let this go for like 2 minutes. Alright guys, so I'll put one side sauce on. I'll flip them over. Smells and looks good. We'll get this other side now. And after that, we should be golden. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we're probing 150. Beautiful. Alright. So, definitely yanking these off right now. And I think I forgot to mention, but I threw a piece of apple wood in there. So, this is going to be a big apple chop meal here we got going on. Alright guys, took everything off the grill, rested a couple of minutes. We'll start plating everything. Put our apples on top here. These apples smell so good. The chops smell so good too. This is definitely a home run. Anyway, alright, so we got that. Boom. We got our potatoes. Once I took them off the grill, cut them down the middle. They're nice and soft. Wow, that skin's just coming off. So I cut them down the middle and I put a little butter in there. So that's good to go right there. Then what we got over here? Let's see, we got some broccoli, a little broccoli. Boom. Alright, there's our meal. Smells and looks good. I think we're gonna give it a try, see how it tastes. We went big on the apple today. This little piece of fat off there. Yeah. A little fat piece. Let me get that off of here. See, it's nicely cooked. Delicious. Try apple with it. It's awesome. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed this. You guys enjoy. Take care.